Children, in this video, we will discuss about noun. First, we will learn what is noun. You see, noun is a naming word. It can be a name of a person like Ashok, Vivek, Ramesh. It can be a name of place like Delhi, Mumbai. It can be a name of thing like chair, table, bench. It can be a name of animal like tiger, lion. It can be a name of quality like honesty, beauty, and so on. That means any naming word is called a noun. Okay. Now we will see the types of nouns. In this video, we will discuss about proper noun and common noun. So, what is proper noun? Proper nouns are names of particular persons or places and so on. It begins with capital letter, mind it. For example, Sachin Tendulkar. It is a name of particular person. Hyderabad. It is a name of specific place. The Times of India. It is a name of particular newspaper and so on. Okay. So Sachin Tendulkar, Hyderabad, the Times of India, these are proper nouns. Okay. Now come to the another noun, that is common noun. So here basically students confuse to identify which one is common noun and which one is proper noun. Let me clear it. You see, nouns can be common or proper. Then how can we identify? Take one example, the word car. It is a common noun because we can use this word for any car, whether it is a Maruti or Honda and so on. Here you see Maruti or Honda, these are special name for a car. So special names are called proper nouns. Okay. The word brother and city are common nouns. But when you say Vivek and Chennai, these are proper nouns. Okay. Here you just see some more examples of common noun and proper nouns. Okay. Man and woman, these are common nouns. But Virat Kohli, Shreya Ghoshal, these are proper nouns. Towns and cities, these are common nouns. But Bhopal and Hyderabad, these are proper nouns. Countries, these are common nouns. But when you say Japan, Germany, these are proper nouns. Rivers, these are common nouns. But when you say Ganga, Jamuna, these are proper nouns because these are the particular name of a river. Buildings, these are common nouns. But Qutub Minar, Gateway of India, these are proper nouns. Days and months are common nouns. But when you say Monday, October, these are proper nouns. Special days, these are common nouns. But when you say Independence Day, Environment Day, these are proper nouns. Festivals, these are common nouns. But when you say Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Holi, these are proper nouns. Newspapers, these are common nouns. But when you say the names of newspapers like the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, these are proper nouns. Books, these are common nouns. But when you say the name of books like the Jungle Book, Gulliver's Travels, these are proper nouns. Okay.